This little video is about connecting your cloud-based files. As of now, you can work on your files that are stored on your Dropbox or Google Drives. So, when you signed up with one of these drives, they will automatically appear here in the Clouds menu point here at the sidebar. If you have other drives as well, you can add as many as you want by simply clicking the plus icon here. And here you have to choose which drive is to use. Connect with Dropbox, connect with Google Drive. So for example, here I click on Connect with Google. You have to add your Google Drive. Yes, and you have to choose which one to use. And then, this is very important, you have to give a permission for us for using them, because it is very important that ASTODI doesn't own or doesn't store your files. These will stay your belongings. When you signed up with your private email address, your cloud list is still empty. You have to add your cloud drives. The protocol is absolutely the same. You have to add it with clicking the plus icon. Again, you have to give a permission for using your files. So once you've given the permission, connection is there and your files are ready to use. ASTODI, be organized, be efficient.